Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5437P. This is a 2020 Ford F-150 regular cab long box with only 30,000 K. XLT package, it's got that nice chrome front end, it's got some alloy wheels. Interiors, I guess it's got 30K on it, so it's exactly what you can expect. It's also got this nice little storage compartment mounted here behind the driver's seat for keeping materials or tools in. On the passenger side here, we've got access to the inside of the topper. It's nice and convenient to reach in and grab things if you need to. Shelving can also be added to the sides of these toppers as well if need be. Up top, we've got a little Thule ladder rack or pipe rack as well. Out back, we've got a hitch as well as 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. And this one does have the Eco Boost, so it's got enough jam to pull around some little construction trailers or little trailers, whatever else you might need on your job site. On the inside here, there's also some shelving mounted there as well, which is accessible from both the inside as well as the outside of the truck. And you do have some access here as well. Again, 4-wheel drive, regular cab long box. It's pretty much the cream of the crop as far as service trucks goes. Ford's keyless entry system, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, and power driver seat as well. Anybody in the electrical contracting world, plumbing and heating world, service industry, building maintenance, painting companies, something like this would definitely make a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 5437, a 2020 Ford F-150 regular cab long box.